Off-leash dog. Off-leash dog. That belongs to here. Hello. That belongs to this. Italians. Hello. Is this your dog?
No. No.
It's not your dog?
No.
Okay. Hold on. Let me just see. Chuck. Hey! Ela, počakaj! Eli, počakaj. Bomo prebrali značko. Pridi. Leko mi spizdo. I thought he was lost. I thought it was so many dogs. Now I can leave my dog. Hello. I was gonna look for the telephone number. So because I thought it was from Italians. They had the door open and it was over there. So I thought it was theirs.
Elle allait téléphoner à Jacques parce
Ah
que
oui,
il était
d'accord.
là-bas, elle
Yeah.
ne savait pas qui c'était. Elle savait pas qui c'était, il était là-bas, elle disait ça.
Ici,
Du coup,
ici.
elle savait pas trop à qui il était.
I let my dogs go so they can interact freely. Oh my goodness! He's an angry boy.
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Are you all French?
Yes.
Okay. Do you in France? Do you have your dogs off leash? Like you can go in Paris. You can go with a dog off leash.
Avec les chiens.
Ah, avec les chiens à Paris.
Oui,
Est-ce qu'on peut aller à Paris?
With dog.
With or without?
Oui, oui, yes.
Oui, without. Without. Okay. Okay. Muy bien.
No musée, museum, no. Mais the street in Paris, yes.
In Paris. Okay. 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 Okay.
Bah alors, mon père, tu te fais attaquer, ça. Tu te fais attaquer. Caractère. Viens. Mais non, Annick.
No. She doesn't like that. She's never experienced the.
Elle a jamais
Yeah.
essayé ça.
Because
Ah, jamais d'expérience.
he's used to it. He's used to
Il
it.
se barre, ce salaud.
Yannick, viens ici.
What's his name? What's his name?
Yannick.
Système, lui.
Enik.
Annick.
Enik. Kaj, Javi, Oh.
Il s'est barré en courant.
Kaj, dis ça.
Pas courageux, hein.
Non, je suis pas intégré.
Let's go.
Allez.
Let's go. Let's go.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, that was a lost dog, and we thought that we would have to call somebody else.